Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to fix Instagram stories on Android. So hopefully you have to just follow the steps one by one and you will be fix it, and on story you will be able to post. You have to just find the App Store on your Android device. When you find the App Store, you have to open your App Store and tap for search bar for Instagram app for checking the updates. So on the top right, you have to search for Instagram app. So you have to update the Instagram app. So click on update. It will be updating the new features and free bugs, fix bugs, and editing and much more new features will be added on when you will have to update on Play Store. So waiting for the update completely. It will be downloading. When it's once 100, it will be completed. So hopefully it will be downloaded. So I will open the Instagram and go to three horizontal lines and scroll down to find data usage and media control. So I have to find data user and media quality. So turn off data saver, turn it off, and turn on upload at highest quality. So this will be make the fix stories on Instagram. So now you will be able to post story, feel free. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.